everyone, I'm Sonnet Firli with lesson student number 017, and today I want to reciting poetry, Holy Sonnet 10, Death Be Not Proud by John Donne. Death, be not proud, though some have called thee mighty and dreadful, for thou art not so. For those whom thou thinkst thou dost overthrow. Die not, poor death, nor yet canst thou kill me, from rest and sleep, which but thy pictures be. Much pleasure, then from thee much more must flow, and soon as our best men with thee do go, rests of their bones and soul delivering. Thou art slave to fate, chance, king, and desperate man, and dost with poison, war, and sickness dwell, and poppy or charms can make us sleep as well. And better than thy stroke, why whilst thou then one short sleep pass, we wake eternally, and death shall be no more. Death, thou shalt die. Holy Sonnet 10, Death Be Not Proud by John Donne. Thank you.